Making a cash deposit at our new ATMs for the first time? Here's how to complete your transaction. Firstly, insert your card horizontally and enter your PIN. Then select a deposit on the screen. When the cash slot opens, insert your notes flat. Please ensure notes are not folded, damaged, or marked and are not bound, strapped, stapled, clipped, taped, or secured in any way. Do not use rubber bands, envelopes, or any other attachments. The machine will count your cash automatically. Please wait while this is completed, then confirm the amount displayed. Once confirmed, your funds will be credited instantly. Once completed, please collect your receipt and card before leaving. Please note, coins, foreign currency, and checks are not accepted, and deposits must not exceed 200 notes at one time. However, multiple denominations may be deposited together.